Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. So, messages, energy check-ins, prediction, gabay, kung ano ba nang meron nating mababasa ng ating babasahin. Okay, so, again, yeah. Kung di ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayong maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating kay Perception of Light. And sa mga naghahanap ng healer naman, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo pwedeng lumapit at mag-message. And syempre, don't forget our two YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Hanapin nyo lang po dyan. So, about love letter and yung isa is animals. Okay? So, again, asahan ko kayo doon. Kita-kita tayo doon. Okay? And syempre, pagdating sa ating mga items, so ito yung ating cord cutting. Si cord cut is pagtatanggal, pag-aalis ng mga hindi na okay na energies na nakakapit pa sa'yo. And ito yung ating love bracelet. So, anything about love, anything, yeah. Basta connection, if you're single, yes, pwede sa'yo ito. May mga ka-situationship, no label whatsoever, relasyon na ang daming conflict, yes, ito yung para sa'yo. Okay? And yung ating Granter necklace. So, si Granter is non-tarnish, hypoallergenic. This is made to order po, ha? Si Granter necklace. This is 20 inches long. Yeah, pwede naman kayong gumamit ng ibang chain if you want to. And, syempre, yung ating mga protection from evil eye na ibinabato sa atin na hindi natin alam. Okay? So, ito yung ring. This is non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and ito ay adjustable. So, nothing to worry pagdating sa sizes. Okay? And yung ating necklace. So, flex ko lang ng kauntian, ha? Kaunti lang. Wait lang. So, yeah, yung ating necklace is unisex. This is hypoallergenic, non-tarnish. Merong, ang tawag dito, extender. Itong ating chain na buhol na, oh my. So, yes. Okay. And again, pwede naman gumamit ng ibang chain if you want to. And yung ating dalawang bracelet. So, isang adjustable and isang garterized. Okay. This is both unisex. Available itong ang tawag dyan. So, diba nawala pa ako. Malapit na matapos. Ito ang ating adjustable is available in red strings. Okay? Ito yung merong initial. Okay? So, again, kung may tanong, message lang po, ha? Sa akin pong FB page for more info. So, let's start reading for you all signs. So, air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. What's for you? What's for air signs? Let's see. Two of Wands, inversed. Six of Wands. Uy. Okay. May magiging emotional sa'yo. May magiging emotional. Hindi ko alam, some of them may iiyak. Okay. This is like feelings, their emotion. Parang ganyan. Some of them nakakaramdam sila ng jealous. Or something na parang, nakakaiyak. Parang ganun. Yung nakikita ko sa inyo, sa iba sa inyo, itong taong to, nag-uumiyak na, ikaw nakatingin lang. Yes. What's with the Six of Wands inversed? Yeah, emotion, the Ace of Cups. Yeah, see, the Three of Swords. Andun yung energy about emotion. Hindi ko alam kung pag-iyak to, galit. Yeah, this is talking about, in general, their emotions. Like, ino-open up nila sa'yo. Nagiging open sila. Naging vulnerable. Somebody will. Okay? So, yeah. Okay. Somebody's, making, sabihin nating, motivation. I don't know. Like, you're their motivation. Parang, I don't know. So, what else? Ten of Pentacles inversed. The Three of Pentacles. So, pagkakaroon, sabihin natin, iba sa inyo, hindi okay. Yung pamemera. Medyo mababa. ang kita. No, parang ganyan, no? So, nandyan yung pagpaplano. Pagpaplano, kung ano mga dapat baguhin, siguro. Okay, I don't know. Kung ikaw itong kailangan mong magdagdag, mga sa menu, mga ganyang bagay, no? Wag gawing specific. So kung anong meron sa inyo pagdating sa pamemera, gumawa kayo ng ibang plano. Gumawa kayo ng ibang sources of income, some of you. Okay? Tingnan natin itong 10 of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah, the Hanged Man in reverse. Huwag kayong mag-stick sa kung anong meron lang kayo. Okay? Pagdating sa pamemera, kailangan yung gumawa, magkaroon ng plan B, plan C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Okay? Huwag kayong mag-stick sa isang plano. Yeah. I'm hearing brainstorm. I'm hearing tawag dyan, meetings. Okay. What else for you, air signs? 7 of Swords. Oh, somebody is falling in love with you and they're like hiding it. They're just hiding it. Anong meron dito? Why are they hiding it? 7 of Swords. Bakit kailangan lang itago? Oh, is there somebody? Pwedeng may iba? Some of you, meron ditong same gender mo na nagkakagusto sa'yo. Kaya, tinatago nila. I don't know. Some of them, hindi nila alam kung ikaw ba ay straight or kung ano. Okay? Into same gender, whatsoever. They like you. They're stalking you. Okay? Umasa itong taong to na magkakaroon kayo ng, sabihin nating, opportunity. Yeah. Okay? Same gender. How you will know? How do air sign? Okay. How does, diba? Hindi natin alam. Okay. How will you know? Oh, yeah. Oh! The 8 of Wands. Some of you, kausap mo to. Pwedeng talkative. Yeah. Pwedeng nasa small circle lang kayo ng taong to. Pero they're open. They're too talkative. They always want na makipag-conversate sa'yo. They're open. They want to travel, some of them. Yeah, see the 2 of Cups. Nag-drive kayo nitong taong to. Same vibration, same energies, I think. Yeah. Anyway, so there. That's it. Next. Fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sag. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. What's for you? Fire signs. Fire signs. Okay. Oh, the King of Cups. The King of Pentacles in reverse is like mind over heart. Practicality versus emotion, I think. Na, the 5 of Wands, gulong-gulo. Anong kailangan kong unahin? Anong kailangan kong piliin? Utak ba o puso? So, kailangan yung mamili dyan. Hindi pwedeng pareho. Lagi po tayong, what? Problema talaga. Lalo na kung inuuna emosyon. Some of us, kung puro emosyon, laging drama ang nangyayari. Some of us, kailangan maging practical. Paminsan-minsan. 2 of Cups in reverse. 3 of Cups in reverse. Somebody's moving on. Fires, I don't know, a water sign could be. Yeah. Some of them, they're moving on. Pero they're like bypassing healing. Yeah, the Page of Cups. They're maybe entering a new connection para makalimot. Yeah. A water sign. What else? The Tower in reversed. Some of you are avoiding love. Yeah, the Ace of Wands in reverse. Unexpected. Something unexpected na pwedeng sabihin nating makapag-cause ng delays or yeah, I'm seeing here traffic. Okay, manage your time. Travels, delays. Okay, schedules, overlap. Yeah, the Devil. Flat tire. Okay. Yeah, the Seven of Wands in reversed. Maging ready, I think. Maging ready, lalo na kung may mga travel. Kung kayong gagawin, no? So, secure the house before leaving. Secure the pets. Maybe. Okay, lahat ng mga may iwan sa bahay. Mas maganda, tingnan muna bago umalis. Ilak ang mga dapat ilak. Okay. So, there. Next. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. What's for you? Water signs. Justice in reversed. Eight of Cups. Alisan. May mga alisan kayo. Sitwasyon, tao na hindi naging patas sa inyo. Okay? Yeah, the Empress in reverse. Kailangan nyo alisan kasi kayo rin maapektuhan dito eh. Imbis na tawag dyan, mapagtuunan nyo ng pansin, yung mga dapat pagtuunan ng pansin, itong mga to hindi naman sila nag-iisip ng tungkol sa'yo. Parang ganyan. Some of them, ikaw itong nag-iisip din pagdating sa kanila, pero hindi naman sila ganun sa'yo. Okay? Page of Swords. What's with that Page of Swords? I'm seeing an appointment sa isang doktor. Okay? Queen of Pentacles in reverse. This is health. Yeah, the Queen of Swords. This is, sabihin natin, kailangan yung kumuha ng tamang opinion mula sa tamang tao. Okay? In general. Yes. Avoid self-medication, please. May magpapa-BP akong nakikita. Anyway. What else? Nine of Wands. The Ten of Wands. What? Okay, so this is a burden. Nakakapagod na burden. Some of you, I'm seeing na pwedeng malapit ka nang sumuko pagdating sa salitang love. Malapit ka nang sumuko sa salitang love. Kasi palagi na lang po ganun. Pare-pareho na. Lagi na lang drop. Lagi na lang wala na. Lagi hindi naman nagiging okay. So, okay. So, siguro, wala na akong pag-asa. Parang ganun. No? Yeah. See, the star in reverse. Wala na ng pag-asa yung iba. So, maybe some of you, there's this fire sign or an Aquarius that's losing hope pagdating sa pakikipag-connect or pakikipagrelasyon sa'yo, I think. Yeah, the Ace of Cups in reverse. Yeah, feeling hopeless. Andyan yung like feeling, hopeless romantic. Parang ganon. No? Yeah, they're just keeping you, like holding on kung anong meron. But yes, konting kembot na lang. Andyan na yung okay, wala na itong pag-asa. So, there. Okay, some of you have to heal. Oo, para may alis yung energy na ganon, like, wala na ata akong pag-asa. Yeah, you have to heal that. Okay? So, next, earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So, what's for you? Earth signs. Earth signs. What's for you? Okay. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Okay. The Six of Swords. The Sun in reversed. May mga dapat alisan na, may mga dapat layuan, kahit mahirap, kahit hindi mo alam ang mangyayari. Okay, somebody is afraid losing you. Earth sign, somebody is afraid leaving you behind. Or maybe, takot sila na ikaw ang mang-iwan. Yeah. They felt a strong connection with you. They like you. They want you, I think. Hindi nila kayang wala ka. Hindi nila kayang wala ka. Para silang naglalakad sa madilim na lugar without a flashlight. Parang ganon. Kailangan ka nila. Kailangan ka niya. Could be an air sign, a water sign, or a Leo. What else? The Five of Pentacles. Ooh, the Ace of Pentacles. Yung mga parang nagigipit ngayon, don't you worry. Okay, don't you worry. May papasok ng pera. May papasok. 'Di ba? The Ace of Pentacles, your fave. Kung hindi 10 of Pentacles, the Ace of Pentacles. Yeah. Release ninyo yung stress pagdating sa pamimiran. Ba naman yan? Parang wala akong benta ngayon, ganito, ganyan. Parang kiniklaim nyo talaga kung ganun ang sinasabi mo. Okay? Just release it. Yeah. Gawin ang mga dapat gawin. Mga ganung bagay. Okay? Some of you, kailangan mong gumawa ng bagong plano at hindi maging, sabihin natin, stuck sa kung ano lang na alam mo. Somebody wants closure. Oh no. Okay, so yeah, the Knight of Wands. What's with that Knight of Wands? Somebody's into you. Somebody's liking you. Yeah, the Nine of Pentacles. Your pera is going good. Kumusta? Kumusta? Parang yung iba sa inyo nawawala sa direction. Ha? Parang nawawala. Yeah, the Hierophant in reverse. May mga commitments kayo na hindi nyo nagagawa. Yeah, ano tong Knight of Wands? Meron ba nang gugulo sa inyo? Or meron bang nakakagulo sa inyo ngayon? Yeah. The Empress in reversed. Medyo nawawala ka sa focus. The Devil is here in reversed. The Page of Pentacles. There's this somebody who's connecting with you. Connecting. Na pwedeng sabihin natin nakakapagbigay ng realign or parang ano nawawala ka sa tawag dyan railway because of them. Don't let them, okay? Alam mo ang kailangan mong gawin, alam mo ang kailangan mong unahin. Okay, yeah, the Five of Swords in the first world. Okay? Kung itong taong to kayang maghintay, then that's good. Okay? Gawin mo muna yung mga dapat mong gawin bago ka kumonek or bago ka makipag-usap, bago ka makipagharutan, mga ganung bagay. Gawin mo muna. No? So, mas maganda yun. Hindi naman tayo, Hindi naman tayo magsesettle lang siguro sa wala. Okay? Alam natin kung anong prioridad. Okay? So there, yeah, yun ang aking reading for you, all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page, and yung ating dalawang YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Thank you! Bye!